Well, I put Devin to sleep and she quieted down, so I looked on the monitor and this is how she was. This is the first time she's ever pulled herself up from laying down. Right? We'll send this to Uncle Nick because he won't believe it. Hi. Hello. Hi, Devin. Hi. I know. Oh, gosh. So, Daddy's coming to lower the crib. Alright, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.